Introducing the Lussari Gloss White Left-Hand Corner Bath by luxury British bath icon Victoria and Albert. Renowned the world over for creating beautiful baths and basins, V&A combines the best in British design with sound South African manufacturing. Corner baths add a unique and contemporary design element to bathrooms, maximizing space in smaller bathrooms and those with unique layouts. As with all Victoria and Albert baths, the Lussari left-hand corner bath is molded out of V&A's unique Quarrycast, a trademarked compound that is a blend of volcanic limestone with high-performance resins. Together, they form a complex 3D matrix that delivers the signature V&A look and feel of velvety smoothness and warmth, underpinned with unrivaled durability, insulation, as well as extraordinary heat retention. If you're looking for a bathing experience that's both visually appealing and incredibly relaxing, then the Lussari Gloss White left-hand corner bath is the one for you. Complete this look with the matching Lussari Gloss White countertop basin, also available in the range. Shop the full Lussari Sanware collection online or in-store at Italtile.